So someone sent you a PDF of a 2D AutoCAD drawing, and then you want to convert it from the PDF to DWG file. So what you do is that once you open your AutoCAD, you move on to the Insert tab, and then we move on to PDF Import. You click on it, and then we have this to select the PDF to open. So this is the PDF we desire to open, AAA PDF. You double click on it, and then it opens this. So the things you should make sure that are checked here: the specify insertion point on screen, make sure that the box is checked, right? And I think that will be all that we need for now. And then we'll now move on to OK, and then we have this. Now it's asking us to specify an insertion point, so 0 will be OK. Enter. Right, now once we are done, this is our drawing right here. So this is how to convert our PDF into a DWG file where the drawing comes onto the AutoCAD drawing area. Don't forget to like this video and then subscribe for more.